Now, these are income proof of faceless YouTube channels that are currently making thousands of dollars currently. So if you are looking to start a YouTube channel this year without having to show your face, I will be sharing 9 faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can start, the best and easy way to start them, and the best way to monetize them fast. Now, the first channel idea is the personal finance tip. If you are passionate about helping others improve their personal finance, then this channel idea is for you. Now, to create videos, you can use screen recording to show intricate details that you want to share with your viewers, as well as stock footages. And alternatively, you can leverage AI to help you generate videos based on your video idea. And AI tools like InVideo AI allows you to put a prompt about your video idea, and it will generate a complete script and faceless video for your channel using a combination of well-descriptive stock footages. Now, channels like The Wealth Workshop leverages on screen record animation. If you look closely, they are basically using the whiteboard animation, more like recording the screen while doing a drawing animation. And this particular channel also, which is Leo AI, and if you look at their videos, they basically use stock footages. These channels leverage on this particular channel idea, and with this niche, you can monetize through ad revenue, selling of digital products, affiliate marketing, and even promotion or collaboration deals. Now, the next channel idea is tech tutorials. People are always looking for help with software, apps, or gadgets, and if you are a lover of tech, then this is a great faceless YouTube channel idea that you can start. Now, you can easily create videos by screen recording your computer while explaining the steps, utilizing stock footages, or even visual demonstration for tutorials on gadgets. Now, channels like Tech Joint, which utilizes a compilation of stock footages, and with this kind of faceless YouTube channels, you can monetize through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, that's for tech gadgets and softwares, and even also through collaboration deals. Now, channel idea number 3 is the meditation and relaxation niche. Now, this faceless channel idea aims to provide people with relaxing sounds for rest and meditation. Now, with this faceless YouTube channel idea, you can create calming videos with soothing music, nature scenes, and guided meditation. Now, you can easily create videos easily with Canva. Now, channels like Calm, and if you watch through their videos, you can simply see that they have used just a stock footage and, of course, a voiceover on it, and you can literally do this using Canva. Another example of this is this faceless channel, which is The Honest Guys, and if you look at their videos, they are simply just using stock videos and text on animations, which you can also easily leverage on this. Now, channel idea number 4 is the Study With Me channel. Now, this faceless channel idea aims to help students stay focused while studying. And now, to create videos, you can simply utilize the visual demonstration method, where you can show yourself studying without actually showing your face. Now, channels like Merv are dominating this niche. And the thing about this particular kind of faceless channel idea is that the videos are super easy to create, as you do not even require any much editing. Now, you can monetize this kind of faceless YouTube channel by selling your own digital products like study planners and even affiliate products. By the way, if you are finding this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up, do well to subscribe, and comment the word faceless so I know that you have watched to this point, which would encourage me to create more tutorials on faceless YouTube channels. Now, channel idea number 5 is productivity hacks. Now, everyone wants to be more productive, and your faceless channel could help people do that by creating videos that help people become more productive. To create videos, you can utilize your screen recording of productivity tools and how to use them. You can also utilize whiteboard animation videos or even AI tools that can help you generate your videos like InVideo AI. This particular faceless channel idea, and if you see, they are using the whiteboard animation style to make their videos. Now, channel idea number 6 is AI tools and news. AI is literally the future, and your faceless channel can create videos to help bridge the knowledge gap on AI. To create videos, you can utilize your screen recording of AI tools, and you can either choose to use your voice or AI tools like 11 Labs that can help you with a text-to-speech voiceover. Now, a good example of a faceless channel that utilizes this faceless channel idea is the Zini Studio. And basically what this channel does is simply talks about AI. You can see AI, it's all about AI tools. And now with this particular faceless YouTube channel idea, you can monetize through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and even promotional deals when it comes to promoting AI softwares. Now, channel idea number 7 is travel guides. If you are passionate about travel and lifestyle, you can create amazing travel content even without showing your face. You can create videos like top 10 places to visit in Bali, and you can use stock footages of destinations and add text animations with a unique voiceover. Now, channels like Toropia is a great example of this kind of faceless YouTube channel, and this particular channel makes up to $6,000 monthly. And this is something that you can leverage on. Now, channel idea number 8 is motivational speeches. Now, this is a very common one on YouTube, and just like the name implies, this faceless channel idea simply shares motivation, and to create videos, you can pair inspiring speeches with stock footage of people achieving goals. You want to make sure to add your own creative to it, since you may be utilizing some content that is not yours. Alternatively, you can use a unique voice from 11 Labs AI and create the video with InVideo AI. Now, a perfect example of a channel that leverages this channel idea is Motivational Madness, and they are making up to $3,000 per month. Now, channel idea number 9 is language learning. So if you're proficient in any language, you can teach phrases or vocabulary in that language. And to create videos, you can simply utilize Canva. Now, channels like Learn with Sabia, you can see that this person is simply using simple text on animation to teach. And with this niche, you can monetize through ad revenue, selling of digital products, affiliate marketing, and even promotion or collaboration deals with regards to language learning. One important thing when it comes to faceless channel is scripting videos. Now, you can easily do the scripting of your videos yourself, or you can leverage AI to help script your videos. Now, AI tools like ChatGPT and DeepSeek are very great AI tools that can help you with that. Now, I spoke earlier that you can utilize AI tools to generate your videos, and I will be showing you step by step how to do that, how you can generate a video using AI. So click the video you see on your screen right now to see a step-by-step breakdown of that.